This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days Poppy Zipper pen case. It's designed to fit on an A5 diary or notebook, as we have here. It opens and closes with a zip so you can get your pens in. And then it zips up so they're nice and secure. And this is how we make it. And this is what you'll need: 2 contrasting pieces of fabric, a small piece of elastic and a nylon zip. Cut out 2 pieces using your template. Using the piece of fabric which you want to be your main front piece, I'm using the floral. Place your zip along the top straight edge and make sure that the edge of the zip lines up with the edge of your fabric and that the zipper pull is touching the table. Now add a few clips along this edge. Add your zipper foot and take it over the sewing machine and carefully sew all the way along. I've sewn all the way across. Now take your other piece of fabric and place on top, and once again line up this top edge with the top edge of your zip and add some clips. Remember, it's pretty side to pretty side. Once you've added your clips, as we did before, pop your zipper foot on and sew all the way across. I've sewn all the way across. Now open out. Bring this edge up to this edge. And add some clips. Now once again, zipper foot on, sew all the way across. I've sewn across so your back should look like this, with it all sewn. So flip it back over. Now we've got to put this edge at the top of the edge of the zip. So pull that over, make sure everything lines up, and once again add a few clips. Once you've added your clips, as we did before, zipper foot on and sew all the way along. I've sewn all the way across, so yours should be looking like this now. The next stage is to open your zip all the way down. Once you've opened your zip, as I've done, turn it the right way out. I've turned it the right way out, and now I'm going to take it over to my iron, nice press both sides, and then I'm going to top stitch, increasing my stitch length to around a 4 all the way along this side and along this side. I've top stitched both sides. The next stage, we need to find the centre. So to do that, fold your fabric in half, take it over to your iron and press this end and this end. And now you can see the 2 centre marks. Now take your elastic and using the crease mark and add a clip and do the same for this end. It's now clipped at both ends, and I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to sew fairly close to the edge, tacking the elastic in place on both ends. I've tacked both ends. The next stage is to close the zipper about halfway. Before you do the next stage, double check that you've got the same amount of fabric this side as you have this side, and when you're happy with it, press. Then, using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all along this side and along this side. Make sure that your teeth on your zip are as close together as possible. I've sewn all the way across and all the way across this end, and we're almost finished. All we need to do now is to cut off the excess zip each end. Now turn it the right way out, and that's your Poppy zipper pen case all finished.